We are at the National Indoor RV Center in Nashville, Tennessee. And we had to have some service work done on the RV. The TPMS sensors were not working on the tag axle, so I got that taken care of. And also had them to install a Victron Smart Shut for me. And the big thing was to install a base plate on the new pickup truck that we had to buy. There's another story right there by that one all along. I'm Mike.
I'm Leanne.
I'm Dawn. And I'm Glenn.
And we are
The
Four Nomads.
On our way to a trip of a lifetime. We're headed to Alaska. Follow
Alaska
us.
or bust.
Watch us. We'll try to put up some videos as we go. Another glass crack here in the windshield on the RV. So I'm trying the tools that Cliff Moore gave me, and I'm going to try my first repair of a windshield. So I have the compressed air. Oh, now is to put the suction cup on in order to get the resin in. I have the suction cup on. Now I need to put the applicator in. Yeah, I think that's about right there. Cliff said you put about 2 or 3 drops in. Okay, you don't need much, he said. And then you back off of it a little bit because we have to keep that in. Now we're going to put a suction on it. We'll let that sit for a couple of minutes. The idea is to get some of the air out of the line, and then when you inject the resin into the crack, you should see it flow down into the crack, helping to stop it. So, crack. Cliff fixed it here. And it has run over here. And it's going all the way up there. So I'm going to try to fix it myself today.
And this is what, 43?
43 feet.
Dawn, it makes a big difference when you got big mirrors and they work.
So Glenn is driving the bus. He said he thinks he could manage that.
Your tire pressure came back.
Yeah, it usually takes a minute. I expect we will see them go out on this trip, and then we'll have to go back in for another service. Well, we'll need an oil change and complete service when we come back. That's warranty for you. So we'll make this turn and just go back and park by your vehicle. So you and Dawn can get ready. Get your radios out.
Yep.
So it looks a lot more intimidating than it really is, right? Yeah. When it comes to backing, that's a little different. Yeah, you need a spotter. Don't make the mistake I did, trying to do it by yourself and run into a porch of a building. Just pull over there close to your vehicle. You have to pull that yellow button out.
This one?
Yep. And to put it in neutral.
Oh, really? Okay. No park over here.
No park.
Okay.
That's that air brake over there.
When you pop that, it automatically puts the air brakes on.
And everything's locked down. Everything's locked down. Yep.
Cool. Very good.
First try, right?
First try.
Did good. Proud of you.
Think we can do it.
I know you can.
Push from the show.
I know you can. All right, well, we'll go get hooked up. Y'all get yourselves ready.
All right. Hit the road for a couple hours.
Yep. Sounds good, Glenn.
Alrighty.
Well done.
Now that we've looked at, like,
Here.
what am I doing?
Film these RVs and around. What,
We're
Doc?
already halfway through April, and now we're realizing how far we have to go before we get to Alaska. Yeah.
So these people on the right-hand side here are staying here as well. They have electricity that you can hook up to, and electricity, and they have water on site. You have to go fill your tank up, and you can dump at the dump station that they have. So they sell new RVs as well as used ones. They do all kind of service work. And we walked through several different RVs as we were.
Thanks to Nick Blankenship, a
Nick-
salesman here.
Nick Blankenship. So Nick is from Georgia. His mother worked at, was it Piedmont?
She may still work there, actually.
Nice guy. He was patient with us to let us see all kind of things.
This is a brand new facility.
Yes. Brand new
I don't know if I
facility.
can see.
National Indoor RV Centers, Nashville, Tennessee.
I'm not sure if the sign got in there.
Oh, I'm sure it is. So, Dawn, you and Glenn looked in some Class C's. We looked at Class A's.
And Michael, there's a bunch of Class B's. Come on up.
And we also went through a Super C, which was quite nice.
They have a little bit of everything.
They do.
Oh, look at the water coming off that Navigator.
Mm-hmm. It does the same on our coach.
They're a big Integra and Newmar dealer.
Mm-hmm. Okay, you can turn it off. So we are in Nashville, Tennessee at the NIRVC, which is the National Indoor RV Center. And we came here to have a base plate, which is the piece that connects to the front of the truck that allows us to connect it to the RV.
To the Blue Ox.
To the Blue Ox, correct. And the reason we had to come here is because our old truck, a 2007 Chevy Z71 with about 180,000 miles, started giving us some fault codes. And so we took it to a dealer. Dealer made the quote after about 3 or 4 days, and it was going to be.
More than the truck was worth.
So we.
And there was no guarantee it would be fixed.
So we felt like we needed a new vehicle, especially going on a trip to Alaska. And so we went to a Chevy dealer in Charleston, South Carolina. And it was really a debacle to get the truck purchased through them. They had 2 trucks on the lot. The first one we wanted to get, the whole process of getting it was uncomfortable to say the least, mostly because of my pride, I think. But secondly, I just didn't like the way we were treated. Anyway, we went back and made a play for another truck that was on the lot, and we ended up getting through that, but it was not without its
It was very entertaining.
entertaining is a very kind word to
It
say.
was entertaining. We have lots of things to laugh about.
So that's why we came to. So we got the truck in Charleston, and we couldn't get a base plate because the base plate was 4 to 6 weeks out in delivery, and the place that we would have it installed in Charleston did not feel like that they would be able to get it in time to install it for us. So we were kind of forced to go in a different direction. And so we were able to come to NIRVC here in Nashville, and they installed it. And there's a lot of things they had to do, but they did a great job. Very professionally installed product, and we're thankful for the guy, the technician that did it. He was just great. Service advisor is Colorado. He did us a fantastic job. Very patient with us. He understands how people get anxious and, well, just dealing with the repair system in general.
And he let the 4 nomads all stay at NIRVC for like, what, 3 days we've been here now?
Yeah.
So only added maybe 3 or 4 days to our journey to Alaska,
Yeah.
but all is well.
So we are leaving NIRVC, and we are going to Cave Springs, Kentucky.
Mammoth Cave.
That's near Mammoth Cave. And we'll be there for about 3 days. And then we're headed toward St. Louis, in the direction of St. Louis. But we have a harvest host at, the name of the place is?
Bold Spoon Creamery.
Bold. Like in the B?
B. Bold.
Bold.
Because they make bold ice cream flavors.
Okay.
And so we're going to try out whatever flavors they have available.
So thanks for watching. We're on our trip of a lifetime. And this is just one more stop on the whole process. Until next time, we see you.